podcast for When the Curves Line Up for November 10th, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:34 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 4:35 p.m. From Chicago's latitude, daylight is passing through the 10-hour mark. Today daylight's length is 1 minute longer than that milestone, while tomorrow, it is 1 minute shorter. For multiple days around the winter solstice, daylight is 9 hours, 8 minutes long. During the next 41 days, daylight's change slows. By the end of November, daylight loses nearly 40 minutes. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. In the east-southeastern sky before sunrise, a thin crescent moon appears below brilliant Venus. An hour before daybreak, the morning star is 30 degrees above the horizon and over 18 degrees above the thin crescent moon, 18% illuminated. Venus is stepping eastward in front of Virgo, 2.9 degrees to the upper right of Xenia, meaning the corner. Use a binocular to view the planet and the star. Look for Earth shine on the moon's night portion from sunlight reflected from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land. The crescent moon appears farther eastward tomorrow morning, over 3 degrees to the lower left of Spica, meaning the ear of corn, the constellation's brightest star. At this hour Jupiter is less than 5 degrees above the west-southwest horizon. This is one of the last mornings to see Jupiter at this hour. The planet is nearly 145 degrees from Venus. Venus rises 5 minutes short of 4 hours before sunrise, while the Jovian giant sets over 3 hours later. On December 10th, the Venus-Jupiter gap is 180 degrees. On this morning Jupiter sets as Venus rises. Afterward, Jupiter sets before the planet rises. After Jupiter passes behind the Sunday, May 14th, 2024, and returns to the morning sky, rejoining Venus during bright twilight 10 mornings later with a very close conjunction. In the evening sky, Mercury and Mars are too close to the Sun for easy observing. An hour after sundown, Saturn is over 30 degrees up in the south-southeast. It is not as bright as Venus or Jupiter. The ringed wonder is about 20 degrees to the upper right of the star Fomalhaut, meaning the mouth of the southern fish. Saturn is slowly moving eastward, 6.7 degrees to the left of Deneb Algedi, Capricornus tail. The planet and the star appear in the same binocular field. Moving in front of the distant Aquarius starfield, Saturn is generally moving toward Skate, the Aquarian's leg, and Lambda Aquarii. Jupiter is farther eastward at this hour, nearly 15 degrees above the eastern horizon. It retrogrades in front of Aries, 11.5 degrees to the lower right of Hammel, the Ram's brightest star. During the night Saturn and Jupiter appear farther westward. Saturn is in the south 2 hours after sundown, setting in the west around the midnight hour. Jupiter is south before midnight, setting in the west nearly 45 minutes before sunrise tomorrow. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.